Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to catch more than one exceptions in a single catch statement. So without further wasting time, let's get started. So basically, if you do not know, the try and except block, or I rather say the try and catch block, is used to debug code to find issues that arrive which are known as exceptions. Usually when we are working with our file programs, we may come across certain types of error, which in this case, for example, I have created two tasks and I put them in the try statement. The task one is simply printing an item of a given index from the given array, that is my data, and the second task, it's simply dividing that index by 0, and that is the simple work of these two tasks. So in the first issue, what happens is we are printing the index at number 10, but as you can see, there is only items of index from 0 to n minus 1, that is 3, which in case the index 10 is not present in this array, so it will give an error which is known as an exception error, which is the index error. Secondly, in the task 2, the index is getting divided by 0, and as you know, a number cannot be divided by 0, and it throws a 0 division error in usually any type of programming language, in this case Python. So what I'm going to do is print this program, and as you can see, now all that we get on the output window is error. This could cause a problem because we do not know what is the exact error caused in this program. So basically what we are going to do is we are going to club both the types of errors, and then we will be able to print that on the output window. So instead of just leaving except as a blank clause, what I will do is I'll open close a bracket, and inside that I will put the exceptions that I want to check for. In this case, I'm checking for an index error. So I'll type index error, comma. The next error that I'm searching for will be a 0 division error. So I'll type that to 0 division error, and which in case looks good. And now what I'm going to say is I'm going to use context manager. So basically I will pipe this whole expression to a single variable. So what I'm going to say is except certain error, that is the index error or 0 division error, as E, and what I'm going to do is error, and now I'll simply print the error that is stored in the variable E. And now let's run this program and check. So first thing is, what happens is I'm first checking for the index error and then 0 division error. So they are in order. So as you can see here, when it tried to print the task on the line 536, it's seen that there was an error, and as soon as that took place, it went into the except block, and that printed error, that is list index out of range. As simple as that. So now we know what is the error exactly, and we do not need to waste time debugging the app. Well, which in case, now let me change the index to 0, and now there will not be any issues in the task 1 since index 0 is present in this given list. So now we will check for issues or errors in the task 2. Likewise, let me run this program, and as you can see, we are printing my data at the given index 0, and that gets printed 1. Then we print a statement saying that task 1 success, and now it tries to divide index by 0, and as you can see, it does not be able to do that, and because of which this line on line 51, and because of which on line 541 it prints a statement saying that does not print a statement saying that task 2 success, and directly goes into the else block and prints the error, that is the 0 division error, saying that integer division or modulo by 0. So as simple as that. Likewise, you can also make changes. So let me just change the index percent 10. So now I'm going to divide it by 10, so it should not throw out any error in this case. And as you can see on the output window, we get both the desired outputs of the task. It says task 1 success, and 0 divided by 10 obviously 0, so it says task 2 is success. So basically, using a single except block, we joined the two types of errors that could be provided, that could occur in this program, and we joined them together to find the solution to the problem. So that's it from this quick video where we learned how to handle exceptions smartly. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.